Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're planning in the mini Homebody dashboard layout, and this will be the first week in May. So May 4th through the 10th. And I am going to be using this Joanne Mega Sticker Book. I'm going to be using, let's see, some of these stickers, and I think these might be called Sugar and Spice. I think there was a planner that had this design in it at one time. So I did pre-choose my stickers. I'm also going to be pulling some navy blue out of the Womankind collection. So let's get started. I did pre-choose my stickers here. Let's see. I'm gonna start with this clear floral, like almost like washi, and I'm going to put it up at the top. So I've got to try to center it on my black lines here, and I think I'm going to have to start on this second black line. I don't think this is going to look bad with the black lines behind it. We'll see. I may pull it up because I may not like it at all. Oops. And line my pages up here, and I'm just gonna have to cut it when I'm finished. See if we can get it lined up pretty straight. All right, so I think that looks kind of cute with the black lines behind it actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my scissors and cut my pages in half. I didn't quite line that up very good, but that's okay. All right, now I'm gonna start on this page. I think I'm gonna go ahead and white out my headers here. So grab my Tombow correction tape, and I'm just gonna white these out and then relabel them. And I think I'm just gonna put a quote here in importance. I'm still gonna run into the problem that I ran into last week where these check boxes don't match my spread, but there's really not much I can do about that. I may need to try to go into Microsoft Word. Rebecca at Eat, Pray, Plan, she actually makes her own little cutout. Why don't I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna try to find something to cover this up. So I'm gonna pause it. You guys won't even notice that I'm gone, but I'm gonna try to find something to cover this up with. Okay, so I found this. This is why you don't throw away any sticker paper scraps. I don't know if you've watched any of my Plan With Me's in my classic dashboard. Let me show you real quick. But I have made little habit trackers like this, and I cut them out on sticker paper. I printed them out on sticker paper, and I saved my scraps. Well, this scrap will actually fit here perfectly. So it's just like crazy how well that lines up there. So I'm just gonna cut this right about here, and I'm just gonna cover this up because I really don't like these colors in this Homebody spread not matching my spreads. So we're gonna cut this and just cover those up. And I think that'll make my OCD feel a little bit better. So let's see what this is gonna look like. I gotta decide which side is the paper. The only thing I don't like about this sticker paper is that there's like no cut lines on the back, so you have to kind of find your corner on the end. Now I'm probably going to be able, I'm going to be able to see these colors, and to some of you guys this might be a bit much, but I have to, just to please my eyes, I have to white out these colors. I just can't, I can't go with seeing the colors behind this white sticker. Hopefully the lines won't bother me, but let's just see how this turns out. So this spread is already not going as I planned, but I'm kind of glad that I found this to cover these up, because like I said, it just really bothers my eyes Okay. So that looks so much better already. I'm just going to take a ruler, if I can find one, and an X-Acto knife, because of course I didn't cut that very straight. And I'm just going to trim it up just a little bit. Just because. So let's see. Just going to trim this right along here. And hopefully I cut that through enough. Not quite. Nope. So this is going to be my first full week back on YouTube, and I'm actually feeling really good about it. Kind of bored actually. Yesterday, I got down on the floor and I scrubbed my kitchen floor by hand. Now my kitchen's not huge, so it took me about an hour. But my kitchen floor was so clean that I could actually have eaten the spaghetti off the floor last night if I wanted to. Now, I'm sure it's not clean today because we do have 4 teenage boys and 2 dogs. So anyways, that's how bored I am right now. I scrubbed, and I tried to start on the like the dining room and the living room, but I bit off more than I could chew because that room is a lot bigger. But I may go ahead and tackle it some more today. Y'all let me know down in the comments if you're stuck at home during this quarantine and you're bored to death. What are some things that you've been cleaning? What are some things you've been doing? Because I do kind of need some ideas. I think I'm going to go out in a little bit and trim some bushes or something. I don't know. It rained a lot this morning, so I'm not sure yet if I'm going to go out there. Our yard always gets so wet. So I think I'm going to just leave this as my to buy section as normal, or as usual. These clear header boxes came out of the Womankind collection, and I'm actually going to have to use a Sharpie to write on them because they're clear. So I kind of wish that the middle of these boxes was cut out, but it's not, so we're just going to deal with it. Now, what else was I going to do? Okay. I love these flowers in this Sugar and Spice collection. So this one says every moment matters, and we're just going to kind of center this right here. And I think I'm going to probably leave my focus box empty. So that's cute already. Now I'm running into the problem here with this Homebody leaf. I don't know if you can see it on camera. So let's see if I can find something that can cover this up. And I just had a thought. I believe that some of these same stickers are they in this sticker book? Yes. So I might actually find something to cover up that Homebody green leaf. If you haven't seen my video on how I combined all 4 of my Fun Floral sticker books, and I used padding compound from Amazon on top, I'll link that video up here in the corner for you. It just makes life a lot easier when if you have multiple sticker books when they're all kind of combined. Oops. So let's see what I've got here. Now these have rose gold in them, but I think I'm going to use something up here. Excuse me. I'm wondering if I should just put some rose gold leaves up here. I wonder how that'll look. Just to kind of take away from that green. I don't even know. Did Happy Planner come out with, goodness, sorry. Did they come out with a totally neutral mini dashboard layout? Like the New Day? Gosh, sorry guys. I don't know why I'm losing my voice. But if they did, I should probably look into getting that because this whiting out is really getting old. All right, so maybe, I don't know, maybe like right there and just cut the excess off. I don't know how I like that. I wish it wasn't rose gold, but I think they all are. I mean, I could always cut some of these leaves off. Some of those navy blue leaves. but I don't think I want to be that extra. So let's just cut this off here. I've got a mess in here already today. All right, oh, where'd that go? There it is. So I also want to say thank you for all of your sweet comments welcoming me back. It does feel really good to be back with you guys. So thank you so much if you left me a nice comment. I did enjoy my time off. All right, so I think this side is going to be finished. I wonder if I have a little Sharpie pen. I have one somewhere. Here it is. So I'm actually going to use this ultrafine Sharpie to write on this clear sticker. So I think I'm going to make this one to buy. And you can barely see the writing because this is such a small little opening, but I guess it'll do. And this will be my, oh, I just messed that up already. To do. Oh well, okay. Now let's move to this page. What I want to do, and this is going to get a little bit tricky. So in the Womankind collection, there are these pretty navy blue color stickers, but of course I've used all of them, pretty much all of them. So I actually went and found something kind of like this. I don't know which book I got it out of, but I cut it out, and it's just the outline. So this is a trick you can do if you need a colorful box, but you don't have the actual box. You can take the outline and pretend that it is a colorful box. So I think I'm going to, this is going to be very tricky. I may end up having to like fast forward through some of this. And maybe this is just a little extra, I don't know. But I'm bored right now and I have nothing else to do, so I'm going to make my own little colorful box. First, I'm going to white out this green because it has no business on this spread. And then I think when I'm done filming, I'm going to go on the hunt for a neutral dashboard. Like the New Day, because this is really getting on my nerves. All right, first things first, I'm going to try to attempt to cut this extra white off the bottom here. Okay. And then I'm going to take my blue, oops, and just place it like, it's going to cover up my Monday. So here's what I'm going to do. This is really going to get tricky. If I had a navy blue marker that matched, I could just draw my own box, but that's not happening. Okay, so I'm going to come right here where I want my box to go. And then it's going to, is that straight or is that crooked? All right, I'm going to take my X-Acto and cut this little end off here. If it doesn't wiggle. And then I'm just going to overlap right here. I think I need my tweezers for this job. Overlap those two right there. So it looks like it's one solid piece. And then we're going to come at the bottom here and place this part. Yeah, this is like really extra. Now, if I wasn't so bored, I wouldn't be doing this. I would not be going the extra mile. So if you guys don't want to do this, I don't blame you, because it's kind of crazy. But this is real time that I'm showing y'all, and it's not really taking that long. All right, and then we're going to put this piece over here. Grab my tweezers, line this up properly. And then once I'm finished, you really cannot tell that I just pieced that together. Look at that. Well, I can tell because I'm right here, but I don't know if you guys can tell. Is it crooked? I can't tell if it's crooked or not. Y'all let me know in the comments. Is it crooked? All right. Let's see. let's just go in now and finish this spread off. This is like already the longest mini plan with me that I've done so far, I believe. Except this is really bugging me, so I'm gonna have to trim this white off of here. I'm sure you guys cannot see it, but my OCD does not like it. So we're just gonna get rid of it. If I cut through both. Probably just cut through my page too, but oh well. Okay, now I feel better now. All right, so I got 2 navy blue boxes, and let me show you the other trick that I did. Gosh, I don't remember where I got one of these from. But when you run out of colorful boxes, you got to kind of get all kinds of creative. So here's where I got that from, actually. The one that I just cut. And so I could technically, if I didn't have these 2 boxes, I could cut this out and use that as a colorful box, even though the sticker's gone. But there are some vertical stickers in here. They're like layered boxes. I don't remember which book they're in though. Probably this one. Right here. So this actually had one of these in it, and it was attached, so it was a layered box. But I didn't want all of this, so I just cut the colorful box out of the center. So maybe that'll help you guys if you're trying to figure out how to get some more colorful boxes. So I'm just going to kind of center this in my Wednesday box because I've only got 2. So we'll center that one there, and then maybe put this one on Saturday. I don't really have plans for Wednesday or Saturday. We're just decorating at this point. And then I found these little headers. This one says good times and this one says great day. And I thought it would be cute just to kind of bring some of my pink over here. So I'm just going to layer great day here. And I think I'm also going to layer good times on the left side of Saturday's box. So see, that's cute. It just brings some pink in there. And then the only other thing I'm going to do is put these little heart arrow icon thingies. Where do I want to put these? Maybe one here, one here. I think I'm only going to put one on Tuesday and one on Friday. I did pull a blue one. So they have that navy blue as well in the Womankind collection. But I don't think I'm going to lay a blue one down. I think I'm just going to leave Monday and Sunday open. I kind of wish there was a smaller little flower arrangement. See how this floral book has these? It'd be nice to have something to put down in this bottom right corner, but I don't have anything. So I think I'm just going to call this spread done. Let me clean up some of this mess. Great day, I made a mess. And then let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like here. Oh, I didn't write dinner plans, so I want to write dinner plans in here. Maybe I'll just write dinner kind of centered. So this is actually on the whiteout and it's not writing very well, but it's okay, it'll work. All right, so now let's put this back in here. So y'all tell me what you think. Did it turn out cute even though I made all these modifications? I think so. So this is it. I'm going to get to filming some more videos. If you enjoyed this one, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. If you do hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there. That way you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So this is it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.